across the sea. A gentle breeze is softly calling, bringing peace and harmony. The palm trees dance beside the shoreline. Birds are singing their sweet song. In this silent morning silence, I feel where I belong. Take away the worries, let the new day begin. Feel the rhythm of the ocean, feel the peace within. Whispers of the island morning carry my heart away. With the waves and the sunshine, I find a brighter day. Whispers of the island morning, a blessing from above. Peace is flowing through my spirit, wrapped in endless love. Reggae rhythm moves so gently, like a river to the shore. Every moment feels so simple. Every breath, I want much more. The flowers bloom beneath the sunlight. The sky is painted blue. This paradise feels like a dream. With every step I do, no need to hurry, no need to run. Life is beautiful and peaceful underneath the island sun. Whispers of the island morning carry my heart away. With the waves and the sunshine, I find a brighter day. Whispers of the island morning, a blessing from above. Peace is flowing through my spirit, wrapped in endless love. The ocean tells 1,000 stories of the journeys people take. The tides remind us every moment that new beginnings awake. I leave behind the heavy feelings, I release the pain I knew. With the island breeze beside me, I begin my life anew. Let the morning light surround you, let the music heal your soul. Every wave that reaches the shoreline makes a broken heart feel whole. The world keeps turning slowly, but this moment feels so right. A peaceful heart, a grateful soul, living in the morning light. Now the day is growing brighter, but the peace remains the same. The island keeps on whispering, like a sweet and gentle rain. The beauty of this simple life is a treasure I can see. The morning breeze keeps reminding me that happiness is free. Whisper birds of the island morning, forever in my heart, a melody of love and peace, a beautiful new start. Birds of the island morning, where my soul feels alive with the ocean and the sunshine. I know I'm blessed to be alive. The palm trees sway, the waves roll slow, the island breeze continues to flow. Every morning brings a new beginning, a peaceful song that keeps on singing, yeah. The morning sun is rising slowly, painting gold across the sea. A gentle breeze is moving softly, whispering a song to me. The waves are dancing by the shoreline, the palm trees sway above the sand. I close my eyes and feel the moment, like paradise was made by hand. I leave behind the noise and worries, leave the troubles far away. Here the ocean tells a story of a peaceful brand new day. Every heartbeat finds a rhythm, every breath feels fresh and free. In this place beneath the palm trees, I discover the real me. Let the ocean wash away the pain, let the sunshine heal again. Every wave that comes and goes carries peace into my soul. Oh, ocean dreams beneath the palm trees, where my heart can finally rest. Golden skies and endless waters, this is where I feel my best. Ocean dreams beneath the palm trees, where the world moves soft and slow, with the reggae rhythm beside me. I have found the place I know. Ocean dreams beneath the palm trees, a paradise inside my mind, where the love flows like the ocean, and the peace is easy to find. The island wakes with sweet vibrations, birds are singing in the trees. The reggae rhythm fills the morning, floating gently with the breeze. The flowers open to the sunlight, showing colors bright and new. Every little piece of nature feels like a blessing coming through. I remember all the moments when the road was hard to walk, when my heart was tired and searching, when I had no words to talk. But the ocean taught me patience, and the waves showed me the way. Every storm eventually passes, every night becomes a day. Now I breathe a little deeper, now I see a brighter view. The beauty of this island morning feels like something more across the sky. The ocean shines like endless diamonds as the evening passes by. The palm trees move with island music like they know the melody. Every wave becomes a reminder of the peace surrounding me. There is beauty in the simple things, a smile, a song, a peaceful day, a warm breeze touching my shoulders as the worries drift away. No riches could ever replace this, no treasure underneath the sea, because the greatest gift I found here is the freedom inside of me. So let the ocean keep on calling, let the waves continue to sing, let the island breeze remind us of the joy that life can bring. We don't need to chase tomorrow, we don't need to fear the past. Every moment is a blessing, every memory can last. When the rain comes to the island and the clouds cover the blue, I will wait for golden sunshine, knowing brighter days come through. Like the tide returns forever, like the stars return at night, hope will always find a doorway, love will always bring the light. Oh, yeah, yeah. Ooh. Now the moon is shining softly, silver waves are moving slow. The island sleeps beneath the heavens with a peaceful, gentle glow. I can hear the ocean whisper like a friend who understands, telling me that life is beautiful when you live with open hands. The journey may have many seasons, there may be mountains we must climb, but the heart that learns to trust again will find its peace in time. So I follow where the waves go with a smile upon my face, because this island in my dreams will forever be my place. Ocean trees beneath the palm trees, where my spirit feels alive.
The sun is slowly disappearing. The sun is slowly disappearing, painting colors in the sky. The ocean waves are softly calling as the evening breeze goes by. The palm trees move with gentle rhythm underneath the moonlight glow. The island rests in quiet beauty where the peaceful waters flow. I leave behind the busy moments, all the worries of the day. Let the ocean carry them away now, let the waves wash the pain away. Every breath becomes a blessing, every heartbeat feels so free. In this peaceful island evening, I find the best part of me. Listen to the ocean whisper, feel the calmness in the air. Every star above the water reminds me life is beautiful here. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, where my heart can finally breathe. Underneath the stars so bright, I find my peace tonight. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, a paradise surrounding me, with the reggae rhythm flowing slow. I feel a love I've come to know. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, dances on the water, silver shadows on the shore. The island breeze keeps moving gently, like a friend I've known before. The sound of drums across the distance blends with waves beneath the sky, a simple melody of freedom as the night is passing by. I remember days of struggle, when my heart was feeling tired, when the road was full of questions and my dreams were losing fire. But the ocean gave me patience, and the stars showed me the way. Every night can bring a promise, every dawn can bring a change. Now I'm thankful for this moment, for the beauty I can see. The island teaches me to treasure all the simple things that set me free. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, where my heart can finally breathe. Underneath the stars so bright, I find my peace tonight. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, a paradise surrounding me, with the reggae rhythm flowing slow. I feel a love I've come to know. Whoa. The fishermen return from journeys, the village lights begin to shine. Stories travel through the evening like old memories in time. The children laugh along the shoreline, the music fills the air, a feeling of togetherness, a happiness we share. No need for gold or endless riches, no need to chase the world away. Sometimes all we really need is a peaceful night and a brighter day. A gentle breeze, a loving heart, a sky full of stars above, a place where we can slow our footsteps and remember how to love. When tomorrow brings new challenges, I will carry this inside. The peace I found beside the ocean will forever be my guide. Like the waves that keep on moving, like the moon that lights the sea, I will keep my heart believing there is beauty meant for me. Every storm will lose its power, every cloud will drift away. After every dark horizon comes a brighter, beautiful day. So I'll hold on to the rhythm and the lessons I have learned. The island gave me hope and healing for the love my heart has earned. Oh. Now the night is getting deeper and the stars are shining clear. The ocean keeps on softly singing a melody I love to hear. The palm trees dance beneath the moonlight, the waves keep touching the sand. This peaceful place reminds my spirit everything will be alright again. Tomorrow brings another sunrise, another chance to start anew. But tonight I'll keep this moment with the ocean and the blue. For the beauty of this island and the calmness of the sea will forever be a treasure living deep inside of me. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, where my heart has found its peace. Underneath the stars forever, I feel my worries disappear. Peaceful nights by the Caribbean Sea, a beautiful dream surrounding me, with the reggae
night. The moon is shining with gentle light. The palm trees sway, the sun is slowly disappear.
Flowers dancing in the island breeze. The morning sun is gently rising over oceans deep and blue. The island wakes with golden colors, and the sky begins anew. The flowers open to the sunlight, with their beauty on display. The gentle breeze moves through the garden like a song that starts the day. The palm trees sway beside the shoreline. The waves are calling from the sea. A peaceful feeling fills my spirit, like a dream surrounding me. I leave behind the rush of life now. All the worries disappear. In this island full of beauty, I find peace when I am here. Feel the rhythm of the ocean, hear the whispers of the trees. Every flower tells a story, carried softly by the breeze. Flowers dancing in the island breeze, moving gently with the trees. Colors shining in the morning light, making everything feel right. Flowers dancing in the island breeze, a beautiful song across the seas, with the reggae rhythm flowing free. Paradise is calling me. Flowers dancing in the island breeze, like a dream beneath the coconut trees. Every moment feels brand new when the island sings its song to you. The ocean waves are softly laughing as they kiss the golden sand. The birds are flying through the heavens, like they know this peaceful land. The reggae drums are playing slowly, with a melody so sweet. The island heartbeat keeps on moving, like a rhythm underneath. I remember distant seasons when my heart was feeling low, when I searched for something better, when I didn't know where to go. But the island showed me beauty in the simple things we see. A flower, a breeze, a sunset can bring happiness to me. Every when the evening paints the island with a golden sunset glow. The flowers keep on gently moving in the breeze that starts to flow. The moon appears above the water and the stars begin to shine. The beauty of this silent moment feels like heaven every time. No treasure underneath the ocean could compare to what I see. The simple joy of being grateful is the greatest gift to me. Every morning, every evening, every wave that reaches shore makes my heart appreciate life and the blessings even more. Let the flowers keep on dancing, let the island sing its tune, let the ocean tell its stories underneath the silver moon. Life is not about the hurry or the things we cannot keep. It's the peaceful little moments that are treasures running deep. When the storms come to the island and the clouds cover the sky, I will remember golden mornings and the hope that never dies. Like the flowers after rainfall, like the sunrise after night, every soul can bloom again, every heart can find its light. Now the night is calm and peaceful. The island rests beneath the stars. The flowers close their gentle petals, but their beauty travels far. The breeze continues its journey, whispering a melody, a song of love and hope and freedom that will always live in me. Tomorrow brings another morning, another chance to grow and shine, another day. The evening sun is slowly falling, painting gold across the sea. The gentle waves are softly calling, bringing back sweet memories. I walk along the quiet shoreline where the ocean meets the sand, feeling every little moment like a blessing from the land. The palm trees move with island rhythm, dancing underneath the sky. The warm breeze carries old reflections as the clouds are passing by. I remember all the laughter, all the moments we once knew. Every sunset tells a story, every color speaks of you. Let the ocean keep the memories, let the stars protect the night. Every wave that reaches the shoreline brings a feeling warm and bright. Sunset memories by the shoreline, golden dreams beneath the sky. Every wave brings back a moment, every breeze reminds me why. Sunset memories by the shoreline, where my heart feels young and free. With the reggae rhythm around me, I find peace beside the sea. Sunset memories by the shoreline, beautiful as yesterday. A little piece of paradise that will never fade away. watching golden rivers flow, the sound of music in the distance, the laughter floating through the air. Simple moments became treasures because love was waiting there. The ocean knows our little secrets, the moon has seen our dreams come true. Every star above the island seems to shine because of you. Though the seasons keep on changing and the years may come and go, some memories stay forever, like the tides that always flow. Close your eyes and feel the moment, hear the waves begin to sing. Life is made of little memories, beautiful and everlasting. Sunset memories by the shoreline, golden dreams beneath the sky. Every wave brings back a moment, every breeze reminds me why. Sunset memories by the shoreline, where my heart feels young and free. With the reggae rhythm around me, I find peace beside the sea. The sky is turning shades of orange, the first stars begin to appear. The island becomes a quiet heaven, a place where I hold memories near. No treasure hidden deep beneath us, no riches across the land could ever match the simple beauty of walking by the ocean sand. The waves remind me to be grateful for the love and days gone by. Every sunset is a picture painted on the evening sky. I carry these peaceful moments like a song inside my heart. Even when the road gets longer, these memories never depart. When tomorrow brings new journeys and the world calls me away, I will keep this island feeling like a light to guide my way. For the shoreline holds the stories of the dreams we used to share, and the sunset keeps reminding me that love is always there. Let the ocean keep on moving, let the palm trees sway in time, let the reggae rhythm carry all these memories of mine. Every ending brings a beginning, every night will meet the dawn. The beauty of the past we cherish will forever carry on. Now the moon is rising slowly, silver shining on the bay. The shoreline keeps its quiet beauty at the closing of the day. The waves continue always know, where the ocean meets the evening and the golden colors glow.
The morning wakes across the island, golden colors fill the sky. The ocean shines like endless diamonds as the gentle clouds pass by. I walk along the sandy pathway with the breeze upon my face. Every step feels like a blessing, every moment feels like grace. Palm trees wave above me slowly, like they know the song I sing. The birds are flying through the heavens, celebrating everything. No more worries from the past now, no more shadows in my mind. I have found a peaceful journey and a better life to find. Let the sunshine guide my footsteps, let the ocean calm my soul. Every road becomes much brighter when your heart is feeling whole. Golden sunlight on my island road, where my heart feels free to roam. Every wave and every palm tree makes this paradise my home. Golden sunlight on my island road, a beautiful place I've always known. With the reggae rhythm around me, I'm never walking alone. Golden sunlight on my island road, shining brighter every day. Life becomes a sweet adventure when you let the worries fade away. I remember rainy seasons when the clouds covered my dreams, when the road ahead was difficult and nothing felt as it seemed. But the ocean taught me patience and the mountains taught me strength. Every journey has a purpose, every mile has its own length. Now I see the beauty waiting in the simple things we find. A warm smile from a stranger, a peaceful and open mind. The island whispers softly, keep believing, carry on. Because after every darkness, there will always come a dawn. Feel the rhythm of the shoreline, hear the waves begin to say. Every dream can find a pathway, every heart can find its way. Golden sunlight on my island road, where my heart feels free to roam. Every wave and every palm tree makes this paradise my home. Golden sunlight on my island road, a beautiful place I've always known. With the reggae rhythm around me, I'm never walking alone. The afternoon is warm and peaceful, the sky is painted bright and blue. The island breeze keeps moving gently, carrying a dream come true. I watch the children laughing freely, I hear music from afar. Every corner of this island feels like a shining star. The road beneath my feet keeps calling, showing places I can go. There are stories in the rivers, there are secrets in the flow. Every this island road with a peaceful heart inside. Let the waves become my music, let the stars become my guide. When the storms arrive tomorrow, I will never lose my way, because the sun will always rise again to bring another day. The ocean may be endless and the journey may be long, but the spirit of the island keeps my heart forever strong. With love, hope and gratitude, I will follow where it leads, finding beauty in the moments, finding happiness in the breeze. Now the evening slowly settles, golden shadows touch the sea. The island road keeps shining softly, like a memory to me. I look back at all the seasons, all the lessons I have learned. Every tear and every struggle helped the person I became. The stars begin to fill the heavens, the moon rises from the blue, and I thank this island journey for the peace it brought me through. Tomorrow brings another morning, another road beneath the sun, another chance to keep believing, another beautiful day begun. Golden sunlight on my island road, forever shining in my heart. Every wave and every palm tree reminds me of a brand new start. Golden sunlight on my island road, where my dreams and spirit grow. With the reggae rhythm inside me, there is nowhere else I need to go. Golden sunlight on my island.